the matter, like say maybe no, say the man is just too precious. So because the way people take carry and say the day where Korra want put to bed, he was there for him. He was there for her. He was there. If you go look that video, go look him again, my people. Me, I don't see what that man do. Now he carry the pay. No, not being carry the pay. Woman where he carry the pay, they there. In the arrange, what in the arrange. If they set camera, they put camera. They said for our own interest. Because all those things we do, if you go in page for YouTube, for Instagram, for everywhere, that's something there also. If they say me that we can't talk, he used that girl Korra. Then they do all those are useless daughter of Uboloko something. He used that girl. Even when with that girl, they pregnant, they open it, later they show people as pregnant women supposed to be, and yeah, go to they pay you for Boloko. He even benefit from that girl life. Me, I don't see what that man do for that girl. Only what me I they see for them. Now what that girl do for that man? Now me I they see. A whole American man, a daughter, he say be daughter when be say they look bow. He don't fit get house for America, for Los Angeles. People where get ass for Los Angeles, they get to head. When say that man never feel getting your permanent ass, now rent the day. So what are you waiting come there to come the heavy of? Waiting. Even the ass where they rent them say maybe in paradise. No. Me, I don't understand that man justice of a man. I don't just understand that, and I don't like the kind of man that he is. He just say maybe if he come up for that house, he want destroy that girl life. He is still getting beauty now because of Korra. Because anytime we say take on in life, people want go there to go the rise. Please go back. Oh, I beg make una no beg guy again. I beg me man no who are any yan. As you now they beg the man, if they give him pom poms, if they pom pom for body. If he only life, if you don't want to go wash, muna go wash. Make una know the right. Say go back. Or even though you don't want to go back, or make go back to bush. Make go bush, go stay. If you want go bush, go stay. But you apologizing to Korra family, but you are not ready to go back home yet. You are still saying, even though you're not there with Korra again, you will be taking care of your children. Oga, that is what everybody did. All responsible man out there, they take care of their children. And if you don't want to take care of your children, you will take care of your children by fire, by force. Who is calling? Hello? Good afternoon.
Mama, I don't see you for life.
I did live.
I beg, waiting, yeah, I beg, please. Mama, I beg.
What's it be that?
I beg. All those are our guests now. They don't present accident. They don't come for man. They don't deal with the man again. When they want to carry the woman picking the woman ass, because this my city now, what's it up now?
No, not
the don't send all those things give me, I will still send out give. Because some things you can't have for this life now, we don't quite understand. You know, that's not picking now, they offer the last one. The man, they run the go now.
Well, may you send that for me, okay? Let me go with you, send that for me, okay?
No problem.
Let's see. That's our job. She want to not to let link that. I don't understand you, my dear Shine. Waiting you right, I don't understand that way. So that man is benefit for that girl. I want all Nigerians, people, even all over the world that is watching them, I want them to realize it that Korra is not gaining from that husband. Just marry that husband for love. He said, the way he used to say that, the love of my life. Exactly. What did that man do? No be man, they pay bese for woman. He go cause he be dash for the woman. He go see the woman for what he's not supposed to see the woman. He go pay everything for the woman. What did this useless or Igbo American man don't do for this girl? Nothing. Like nothing. Have you see where they live? Oh yeah, not even well organized. Now they see their wardrobe, they show their wardrobe. Now see anything there. There's anything to even jealous of? When they see the car where they ride? So I am getting tired. I please my people, make one not they beg that useless American man, make it go by us. Make it even go bush for all I care. Make it go bush for all I care. African women too, mumu. Iady she say then the man they think say na African me. No, Africa women too, mumu. Iady she say the man the thing say na African man. I tell ya, we not see the way they pump very ugly thing. That is maybe me have hope behind here. I don't like people that feel too much. Okay, what you make you come off for what you say he's cheated. She's cheated. Okay, now again, she's not cheated again. You made a mistake. He said the rest thing when you talk, is incorrect. Are you even listening to step justice? Are you even listening to your English? Are you crazy? What is wrong with your head? What do you think that this boy head have been a man? I don't want me to go to beg this useless man, make it go back, may even go bush. Make it go bush. Make it go bush. Una know one of our YouTuber, not be last 3 years, I be last 2 years, now that girl by with on born baby. What did they call that girl? That Ghana girl, the boy that say Ghana boy. What did they call this girl? Oh Jesus Christ. What did they call this big YouTuber girl? Now so that one you see they dance like Korra. Now so that one they figure cool like Korra. That one a YouTuber, I know they see her for Facebook. She's a very big YouTuber, Ghana girl. The boyfriend now what did they call the boyfriend? Boga. Oh Jesus Christ, I don't remember. I don't even remember this girl name. She was pregnant. If anybody know, I could write the girl name for me. That girl with the baby. Before that girl born, now that girl take lose his life. Una go see that couples. Before that girl, like, me una go see love. Me, I never see you. I didn't see anything love about Korra and this Korra husband. There's no love. Una see that girl that time before that girl late. Even till now, that guy is still mourning that girl. I say that girl don't die. Still mourning. Now don't see my way they take care of women. Whether some people never see love for life, they just see small something for Facebook, their hair go just they bust. I don't even know. Whether I never see love before. Because me, I never see this useless love where we say this man they prophesy for Korra. I don't know. If not be your computer for the bench for daughter, you go come they do it leg, come they open it leg, come they do one like this, come they press it belly. That one not love. What you call it? Which care? Which care can they do for her? Now they cost all these things for their body. Now can't even they made the man they feel pons. No, me say maybe he get even anything we do for that girl. I not even just say maybe that girl even man because of something, because that man have nothing to offer. Now look that man like person where get something to offer. We say don't fit get us for Los Angeles. I wish that person would say even get money in a Korra jam. As soon as you see they get they never buy us. Which car they even get? No be that check car. Go America, all of them, they are driving a big car. What did that man have to offer, Korra? Please, nobody should beg that man again. Person like me, I can never beg that man. I can never tell that man, go back, go. If you want to go back to inside bush, just go back to inside bush. If you know that you cannot give that girl, that small girl rest of mind, you go back to bush. Shey my man inside bush na the day. Just go back to your bush. I don't understand. What's everybody else to say? He's just so caring. He's so caring. Because say Korra one born, the man they face camera where he face. Now your benefit oh, now for your benefit oh. All those is what they do. All of the day war. Any business. As Korra they do business for social media. Now so that man they do business for social media. So everything was for our own benefit. He not doing for our sister Korra. Una way he love Korra. Now they see message me and they see. That man is a very useless. He can't show himself out. How many years that girl? The small girl, but they feel they coordinate itself. He never even talk for all the pay where they pass through. He never told them. That useless man of that Quran. Now they come live, come they talk. America for that matter. Who are in Los Angeles? That is why I don't even like America one day. Imagine he just floating himself on social media every time. Oh, we video doing video because he know that anything that he on in live video, people, Korra fan, they will just pack to that place and they will be writing. Imagine the time where Korra was born. As Korra they on in live video, this one not they on in live video. Enemy. As old enemy, husband enemy. Pray for you not to have enemy as a husband. Though. Pray not to have a enemy as a husband. You can have it as a husband, as a black husband. You can even have them as a white husband. Enemy. Or what phenomenon or woman. Enemy. As Korra use the put to basi, use the on camera. It does say on your camera. It does say on in camera. Where Korra de kitchen they doing you. In the parlor, put a picking for chest they doing you. That's what this man doing. This person said no people don't need too much power for them. He carried the video. He go meet Korra for kitchen. They show Korra, make Korra show you so that make people where they Korra make the power go you. Now Korra come to say, hey, see the life where they live. Oh, Papa they live video, in they live video. Real life iwaje. Korra can say make it stand. That one can say make it stand on you. You know what is the problem? When you are on social media or your partner is on social media, you guys are doing the same thing. This is the repercussion of it. Social media wahala. Social media got jealousy. When you have a friend that is doing social media like you are gone. When your husband is doing the same thing that you are doing, it's problem. So maybe your husband will come get in your platform. You will come get in your platform. You they find people when one call they follow you, they buy business. Easy they find problem don't come. Unless you guys will just have one page that you guys is operating. Family. If you want peace to reign. That day, make una go see that video. That girl just dey kitchen, just newborn. The man they parlor, they do live video on his own live video. He carry the pikin like this. They do a live video. He see say people not too many carry the video. He go kitchen, he go meet Korra, he go shoot Korra. He want make Korra show his face. Korra show his face. Then Korra come to say, ah, mommy and daddy they are doing the same live video. Hey, way. He come, me wanna go watch that something. The Korra come say make him plug. He come plug yo. They tell me to come make a carry live video, go meet that one for kitchen. Because you know that one I go follow as jealousy or as for follower. You have it more. You as a social media, your husband is also doing the same thing that you are doing. If you want peace to wait for your home, make una get one waiting, one something. Make this one not get in you. This one go see on you. You can see on your own. If maybe say as social media your pikin can see journal now, or maybe your pikin day holiday, or you go greet a friend, feel on you for that side. No be say the same as this one go on you, the other one go on you. It go for more surrender. You see. So live video don't they cause family fight? Exactly. That is what I am saying, Shine. Social media is a very big problem when you are doing the same thing that your partner is doing. Korra husband is enemy. He's jealous of that small girl. He's jealous of that small girl. You people should open eye to see. That man is not a good man. I don't see what to, and me, I don't know what to see for that man body. You know, say my daughter he be. Waiting concern daughter Boloko daughter, concern social media. Why he be say you know they use outside people, take they know where be na that girl, in that girl na take climb up. Evil. Okay, no say that they say wish for Igbo. Oh, not to say maybe now only black na be wish. I'm a zebo. Who am I? No. Demono. Demons. Demons. You can see it in a black, you can see it in a white. Demons. It not me say white people. No azen. You people should open eye. Okay. Later problem go still there many couples wey break up fight for YouTube. Exactly. This girl when me at the top just now when I say the girl, it bless my last 2 years. Why I don't remember this girl name? Jesus Christ. Make una help me write this girl name. A very big YouTuber. The girl just delete with picky way they belly. Now they get it delete. She's a very big YouTuber. He fiancé name and they try to remember. It be one resemble something bogus, something like that. Now it be one resemble. The girl are from Ghana. The two of them, they get only 1 page. Now, when the girl not there again, now the guy can't go get in your page. But before there was you using 1 Facebook. 1. That guy was there for him every 24 hours. Waiting to get that girl. Because even the last video where he do, he say if he waka, even to waka, that if he go be like say no, they breathe again. That's what I kill that girl. I delay that girl with a born baby with their belly. That boy see they suffer. I don't know whether I never see love before. I don't know what Korra husband do. One at say maybe too love her. I don't know what that guy do. I don't know. He get one period for my life. Me, I just see. I don't know whether I never even see what is love. I don't know. I don't know what the Korra husband do. Me, I don't vomit. I dey sick. I don't dey vomit for. I dey vomit. Ma pull mouth for. He pull hand like this. I dey vomit. I say no, come out your hand. This thing they smell. Me, I vomit for a He said no. He put in hand. I'm mad. Do that one. Is that not a love? We don't even know what they call love. But my they experience a love. Oh God. If I don't remember the love is Jenya wa beg where if I wa mono so they'll say love don't finish for life. They could just conclude. I don't know what they call love. Oh, we are making love for what they want. I want video. Hello, my lady.
Hello, you can also Stephanie at this Ghana.
Hey, YouTube me now again. You we Ghana yahi. Oh, we Ghana. Oh, you okay? Where UK Jabi? Again, if you have missed another case, another case, or got missed on the name, makeup, all those things.
Yeah,
exactly. David, what's it again?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. Okay, then you are YouTube.
Oh, you
go check it.
3 years ago, yes.
Oh, yeah, so no, thank you, my love. Go check it. No, you are Facebook. Where say no, you are YouTube. Thank you, my love. Una see am. Even that girl can't even wait to Korra. E Korra make it up. Now this Ikebe fiege dance. Now that girl this dance. Only say that girl no just they open where beg a party on the vein like her. No, but they wear all those short nika. They wear something. And you only have a belele here. Now you can let that girl. Now YouTube now for test jam that girl. YouTube now for test jam. I just like the way they talk. Everything. The girl that sit dance and like Korra. The boy that sit dance. The boy say they dance also. The two they dance together. That girl gets store. He just open store for UK. Open store. Beauty store. Now she open. Very big store. If you see their house. The house where they fed, they constantly change their house. Now rental. They not say they buy them. They constantly change their house. See what they get their house. See what they get for the house. Me, I don't see anything for Korra house. Person wey marry Ibo, me I no see waiting anything for Korra. If that Oyibo by name, you're very useless Oyibo. He say he be daughter where they look boloko. Koti concern boloko daughter, concern YouTube, concern Ogbenagiduanya no. She used Korra to build her life. Oh, I don't say some Oyibo the way they use black people till they build their life. No. Welcome, my darling. Good afternoon. Una no know. Afternoon Dorish. Me I see her. Aye, Dorish. Una no know. Una you to say everything that is greater. Hey, God, you know. Now that Ghana girl, what they call her? Not be that Ghana girl. We be dancer. No her. That. What did they call the Ghana girl? If you now see that Ghana girl, black to black. If you now see what they get. As the girl before he born, they change everything. Oh, when you must say. If you see the guy gets store, big store. The day when he open her, he just show her. I can't even follow that girl for YouTube. I just come across and wonder, I don't like the girl, what they do. I just couldn't look her. So that's if I just sit there, I just go look at me say, don't fair, this something where don't fair drop. If you see the big store, and within 2 days before that girl, he talk her for her life the way he can't dey fist here, he can't dey strong here, he can't just say if he just waka sumo, he go all tired, he know they feel they breathe. No, that's something I take that girl life. He take that girl life, take the picking life. But if you see that girl, what did Korra get? China na Korra they do book, abi the children book where they talk about Africa, abi. But we are again in Mekana. We are again, you don't even get view like Korra. If not be Korra money, they eat for house. If not be say baby, me I be say they just now only that Facebook money. So if that man whether not Justin be there, if you don't want go house, if you don't want to, thank God that you understand Nigeria English. If you don't want to come ask Mr. Man, you just enter bush, you go bush. We don't even need you. What have you done for Korra? I am not seeing anything. Me personally, I am not seeing anything that you have done for that girl. Nothing. Oh, he born like you. Come Europe or he born for Europe. No money they pay for women. They go add the pay their expenses in those days. 40,000 euro, 50,000 euro. They go pay them cash before they will come go beat ass for the girl for Nigeria. Before they will come man, they call the bomb. You marry her freely. Not be the small marriage when I go do for Nigeria. The small marriage. What do you do for that girl? Why are you disturbing her life? Why are you disturbing her? Because of what? What is a green card? What is this green card of 18? It's only green card that you offer her. Apart from the green card, waiting again when you offer her Mr. Justin Edotu Boloko of America. What do you offer? Please, I want you people to help me to share this video so that useless man goes. So that make you know say, no be all Nigeria, they take no sense. No be all Nigeria, they beg useless husbands. Please share this video to her. Love Vetos, that's my love. Good afternoon, my darling. Please, I want you people to help me to share this video to that useless man, Korra husband. I don't even want her. If I'm supposed to be a Korra elder sister, I will personally tell Korra, although if Korra were to be my daughter, I have a girl daughter. My daughter cannot follow that kind of useless man. That is just be disturbing because jealous that man. I'm not gonna believe me. That man is jealous of Korra because of you. I'm not gonna do that. Especially the day when as Korra you say never to take. Wait in the parlor. Even the share when you go see for the house, man. Very old. Good afternoon, free. Very old shed. They don't even have nothing. They say they rent us. They are still moving in renting us. I am not against them. When I see any better something for them, they are not seeing. Even the baby where Korra born now, Korra they show everything. When I even not see the room where Korra go sleep. That way husband they show her. Where say me husband not show again. No see the bed where they sleep. We are not see. Not be the you know not see the kitchen where fed. Not be where they go rent now. Not for say that kitchen where Korra for now this house where they go rent now. Now Korra for they do video now for bedroom because that place is well maintained. After we say the Korra cocoa money, wow, Justin, you are a very useless man. I beg me could let me share this video for I want made that man no say not all Nigerian ladies tolerate nonsense. Not all Nigerian ladies will beg useless man like him to come back to Korra. Me, I am not among of people that is begging him to come back. If you want to go to inside bush, you better go to inside bush. After all, your family that live in inside bush. Now not say mama. You can't Korra take go in mama place for that son. Now not say the house where they live. I am not even against for you to marry a Sevagbon. If the Ebo is wed manner, you can marry. After all, I don't even advise people to even marry for money. If you marry, you and your husband and gather hand together, why are you with me? Have a bono, why are you stressed summer? Or a boy way useless. That's what they stress. You are right on African women. I don't know what they beg up for. What thing want come back on? Have they bono who are here was stressing who they way bono? It here was stressing who. Now some one of my girlfriend will say Imaro Ibo. That's what I want to do. Because say the Oibo, family, useless family, they gather her, can't give the man money, make they take buy house. They can't buy the house and say they not even wet furnished. There was not any mega waginya. Maybe you watch me. Oh, she get a we get a gio. It is a gio ni legeni. They can't go buy the Bangiri house. They buy the Bangiri house now. What do they call me? Who is this? The bad day has finished now. The family of the girl, the family of the Oibo content, the Oibo say in one condition, make it marry this our black sister. Make the girl not come collect us. If you not even say us, my people, now up and down, parlor day down and kitchen, 2 room come day up. Finish show. Now what we are yoji. I don't have me. I still renovate. This man not give married the girl. This useless man, he go say get the gov, he go commode the cassava, he go throw away tea, watch, we not go even put on for this girl body. And so they continue they live their life. Before the girl can say, yeah, you don't know bad. Now you not tell love the man family. Where the man sister come in, not get a roving, and not a generation. Now I tell them, I don't see bad help when I help her. When I buy useless house for them, when I say they make it not put the girl, they make it no matter. Why are you watching what? If you not say the man, they don't become on your dico. Very, and only be when I correct it, oh God. Me I go even they look that man. I tell you, maybe when they get me, I know we have done here. I wait best time. I give no. I wait best time. I give if you not see that man or warrior janu tell you janu or you janu every go call me if he call me any matter what you know where or you be call him because he knows how they talk truth. He knows how they talk truth. Who they call me? I'm a nakina. Oyibo no good, black no good. If you see the, even though say maybe I am not saying this because you must marry Bonomego or you go marry back where you get money. No, anyone where God give you, so far that your day, you would go plan together, do something together. That is what I stand for. But I just want this Korra of a husband. This Korra husband of a man to know that not all Nigeria that are already nonsense. All Nigeria they are begging this useless man to go back. Oh, me, I am not among of them. If this man want to go back to bush, let him go back to bush. And I also want this guy to know that he have nothing to offer Korra, and he have never offered Korra anything. Una see, I wish Korra build mansion for Africa, for a village. Shey for don't go shaking ash for Nana, for don't see the house, be the way they live her life. The house where they fed there and the house where they did now. Una see any different thing for the house? Una see if not be the kitchen, even Korra can't even they happy say this is kitchen fine. Una see the way they happy. Person will be say get 3 million of followers. Abi? But all those people where they Lagos near where we they say they can't ask with much what they beat. So, so, what did this man don't offer Korra? And with this man, they try as Korra, they try, they don't get many things. But not they sit there. Even the born, and not be watching people dash there, and yalona, and see anything different for them. Me, I am not saying it. That is why I don't jealous people. I don't jealous people. No matter what you think you have, me having jealous of you, I might be aware. I don't jealous people at all. I don't do that. I am not saying anything that Korra have. Make we hear the useless man they talk. Very useless man, even the teach. Oh yeah, Ometi adola kongeji unu. Useless idiot man. Hello?
Hello, did they send it when they Nico? No, sorry.
Hey, Nicole, God bless you, my love. God bless you for me. Thank you, my lady. This girl that you talk, say that Ghana girl that you talk, say now Nicole, na be the girl. Nicole Berry, na be the. He said that's enough for me. Nicole, exactly. Nicole, na be that girl name, Nicole. If you see the way they pamper around with love, the way they pamper around with love, it made me say that girl lost her life with pregnancy. If you see what that girl gets, no who are na Justin no who are. Now the boy be just whether na boga be they call it now not con no. This boy no get YouTube before. How will you be doing something? Your husband will be doing something. How will you be live Facebook? Your husband will still be live Facebook. Don't have no get bring out video. This one is the guy. You see the guy. Even till now, again when I come across when they interview the guy. He is still mourning that guy. How you go there live video? They'll harm me. If not be hungry. I am talking to you, Mr. Justin. If you are not a hungry man, your wife will be on live video. At the same time, you are looking for followers. You want to leave your matrimonial home because of followers. You will see the followers. Trust me, you will not see any Nigerian girl like Korra that will allow you to be open and leg and open and doing gymnastics and doing whatever you want to do for your daughter Boloko, useless man like you. Where will they me money? Where will they me money? Maybe Korra was not asking you money for Africa. We will ask money for Africa. Africa. No in Africa, I am not a part of people that is begging you to go ask. If you don't want to go ask, you go inside bush for all I care. Because this man like Korra husband, he need on your hands. No, don't be say you call the beg. I beg now na on a bona inia. On a bona inia. A bono material. No great daughter. If you are a good daughter, really a good daughter, before Korra know you, she Korra know you. He never told her marry. Now take bon abi. Just 4 years, abi 3 years plus now. How your life be before? You were I don't even how your life be, daughter Boloko. How much do you earn? How much do you earn as a salary as Boloko daughter? You want see a big daughter bono ya wo or Boloko na do any social media e we hin ati wow I bono wa. May I play this thing again? Make una hear. Very useless. Very useless. What consider they call me? Hello? Yo. Yeah. Okay. or 2 o'clock here in Zo, but I Africa store no. But Africa no where Africa store no where you need where we bani. Because when Africa store here we go Africa store no where ni we go we bani here where neya. Madam, that man not be here Benin. Hey, not the year Benin, not the verse. I make me the poor Benin. I'm not worried. Go understand the English with this side. In here, we have African store. We can see the man show we are closing. 9 more day. If we can have a weapon, say 7 o'clock in here,